Welcome to Jack TV, one of the best TV stations online, YouTube and Google. So today we're going to be talking about Haiti. How can we develop Haiti, to make Haiti a better country? Michel Martelly, get ready. So préparez-vous, Michel Martelly, so moi parle avant la très clair, très en forme, très en basse. So but the video I'm doing it in English, because I'm doing this for the diaspora. Not just the diaspora, how can we get involved and rebuild Haiti and develop Haiti? How can we get involved in that? Because a lot of times, the people say, how can we get involved? We over here, there's nothing we can do. Yes, there's something we can do. We can share the knowledge. We can share the knowledge, we can share whatever we have, in our mind. Because you're in front of the computer, there's a lot of things that we can do. We can link together, to make something happen. That's what I'm trying to do, with the emblem. Let's develop Haiti together. Let's make the things happen. So we can make a lot of big things happen. We develop Haiti. Because we are see Haiti, the beautifulest country in the world, right? And the beautiful islands in the world right now. How Haiti is going to be, because in my dream I see that. But now it's going to become a reality, because I already see it in my dream. Because I've been connected, before I do everything, I pray. I say, Jesus, God, me protect me, give me the strength, the knowledge that I need, the wisdom that I need, and be able to move forward. Give me the strength that I need, the courage that I need. God bless me all the time. I'm a very blessing guy, because I've been through so much. If I were to tell you how much time, I don't think that I've been through. I don't have not much time, that I was going to go through that, in the TV, in the section of the TV station. I will let you know how much I've been going through. But you will know a little bit about me. So if you're watching my previous video, you know a little bit about me, because I pray for Haiti. I see, Haiti, become the next country that's gonna make things happen. You never know, we're gonna give the best doctor, the best architect, the best scientist, the best this, the best that, all kind of things. We're gonna make things happen, because I see Haiti also building the first car, the first country, the first black country. We're gonna make history, guys. I'm telling you, Bishop Martelly, if you're waiting for me, get ready, because we have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of work to do, So therefore, I see Haiti, gonna make car, the first black country that's gonna make this car, that's gonna say, yes, this car was built by a black country. Don't just look at the size of Haiti, say, how come Haiti's gonna make a car? No. Don't look at the size of Haiti, say it's Africa that's gonna do it. We're gonna set the example for Africa. And then we're gonna go and start building the empire, so from different kind of places all over the world. Because I see it in my dream, guys. I see it, because a lot of people are gonna say I dream too much. But hey, you have to have dreams. You have to have dreams. I have dreams. Because me, I went to school, for drafting. I went to school for drafting. I finished mechanical drafting, where I design pieces on cars and all this type of thing, But I'm still pursuing to go to school. But there's a lot of challenges going on through my life, Still, I'm not finished a lot of different things right now, to finalize it, to be specialized on it. But I know there's a lot of work out there, If you're out there, if you want to help me, don't just sit there, help me. Give me a call. Once again, I'm going to give my number on the line. I don't mind. Tell me anytime. If you want to hear from me, leave a message, I will get back to you. We need to work together. All the Asian diaspora that's out there, that's in school, that's study something. Explore your mind. Call me up. We can build something together. We can make this emblem. To make things happen. Because in our flag, it says "Union fait la force." For the union, we have to make the united. We have to unite it. To make the force. That's how you say it. So therefore, we have to unite. There's evil that's been fighting for us, for that piece of land. When we have that piece of land, we have a freedom of land. We have our own land right now. We can make whatever that we want to make. We cannot let money take our pride away, because people are more important than money. People are more important, because the people, money is just a paper. Money don't have no feeling. People are feeling, man. If I slap my hand right there, it's dead. I feel that. But the money, if you slap right there, it doesn't feel anything. But therefore, that's the reason why I'm talking to you people, the diaspora people. We can make things happen. Right now, Michel Martelly is doing a good job. So far. I applaud him. Michel Martelly, great job. Keep on doing what you're doing. I'm going to walk with you. This video is for, if anybody knows Michel Martelly watching this video, if you're watching this video, send it to Michel Martelly. Tell him this guy is I'm out there to help also. We need to help ourselves, guys. We cannot just wait on people to help us. We have to help ourselves. We have to be self-sufficient. We have to make things happen. careful because let me check the time right now. You know, say I don't have that much time in the TV station right now. You know, say because I know the time is very is doing the. But the fact that you know, say guys, this is very exciting. Call me up right now. But I'm gonna give you my number 954-871-0709. Once again, 954-871-0709. I'm gonna put the number on the bottom of the link also on the bottom of the TV. You know, so if you're on YouTube, if you're watching me. But I know, you know, say this video, you know, say is in different places, you know, it's Facebook, it's on YouTube, it's on MySpace, because I'm everywhere. That's why I'm taking over. I'm everywhere. I'm telling you, because nobody can stop me right now, you know, say because this is not about me. It's about you people. What can we do for our country? You know? Because I'm in business, you know, say, if you check me on Jack TV, you could see, you know, say, the business that I do also, you know, say, though that we can make the money, that we can waste the money. When I give you a call, you say, Jack, okay, I want to be part of your investment. You know, say, so we can build big time hotels, we can build big time stadium, we could build big time school, we could build big time university, we could build nice roads in Haiti. Because I see Haiti beautiful. I see Haiti more way beautiful than Disney World. Because we have those kind of mountains, you know, say, those beautiful mountains, those beautiful beaches, you know, say we can make things happen, you know, say we can create a lot of beautiful things. I see the potential in Haiti. There's a lot of potential in Haiti to make things happen. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm dreaming with Haiti right now, man. Because I see so many beautiful things gonna happen. That's a green tea I'm drinking, you know, say right now, you know, say that's a very nice tea, you know, say my mom's selling that also, you know, say trying to make money to help the kids in Haiti. But anyway, so that's I'm telling you guys, you could make a lot of big things happen. Haiti is the beautifulest country island in the world I see right now in my visions. If you're there with me, if you see that vision with me, if you want to walk with me, give me a call. Don't hesitate to call me to say, hey man, I don't want to call this guy and say bad him. No, I don't care, you know, say I'm in the Eastern Time. I'm in Lauderdale Lakes, Florida. Haiti, I'm not in Haiti right now, but I will go there, you know, say Monday. Because right now, you know, say, to be honest with you, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm gonna put my profile out there, you know, say, because I'm not hiding anything. I'm not hiding anything. The immigration, you know, say, still, I don't have no paper. I'm still working on TPS. I've been in this country for 18 years. Still, the immigration still bothers me because I've been working for political issue way back, you know, say, because if I put my profile out there, you know, say, I've been working for Haiti, you know, say, way back since I was a kid, little kids, putting fire, you know, say, to give freedom for people, for teach, because I don't see myself, you know, say, you never know, you know, say, because we have to help ourselves, you know, see guys, we have to give the freedom, you know, see, because we have the freedom already, you know, see, the Seskia fight for us, they fight for us, you know, see, to give out that freedom, you know, see, freedom and independence, you know, see, so we have the independence. So I don't have that much time on the TV station, guys, right now, the time is ready for the visit. Stay tuned on Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. Check me out at YouTube, check me out on Google, check me out on Facebook, check me out, Google me, you know, say, check me out, you know, say, so to see more link about me, Jack TV, so the thing that I talk about, let's develop Haiti, we can make things happen together. So stay tuned on Jack TV, one of the best TV station online.